Hello aspirants, looking at important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for 25th July. On the front page, you have this news regarding elections in Pakistan. So the tripartite fight, the three key players in Pakistan elections are shown here. Brother of Nawaz Sharif, the son of Benazir Bhutto and Imran Khan, the ex-cricketer. Then this is Supreme Court pulls up center for its delay in appointing a Lokpal. So this is an important coverage. We have been discussing about Lokpal. It has been in news for long now. So this is now Supreme Court is also looking into the matter. So this is an important news. Then this is Maratha Bandh puts Maharashtra on edge. So this is regarding Maratha Bandh. This bandh is in demand for reservation for Maratha community. Then on page 3, you have this news, Punjab seeks special category status. So the state calls itself a victim of proxy war waged by Pakistan. So it is also demanding special category status. So this special category status has been frequently in news even with respect to Andhra Pradesh, and now Punjab is also demanding such a status. Then on page 7, you have this news, Fadnavis reviews welfare scheme for Marathas. So this is in the same context, the Maratha Bandh, which has been announced, declared all over Maharashtra because of a suicide by a protester, 28-year-old protester. So the death has sparked statewide protests now. Then down here you have this news, ban on entry of women in Sabrimala is patriarchal, Supreme Court. So this is again the continuation of the Supreme Court hearing the case regarding Sabrimala temple of Kerala. So there is a ban on entry of women here. So this is being heard by the Supreme Court. So this is important. Then on the editorial page, the first editorial, cosmetic repair. This is regarding non-performing assets, stressed assets of banks. So what needs to be done for them. And the second editorial here is Ozil's burden. So this is regarding a German footballer who has actually now been, shunted out because he gave a statement that he cannot wear the German shirt with pride and excitement because of racism and disrespect. So this has sent shockwaves now. Then this is providing the hardliners in Tehran right. So this is regarding how Iran is being affected because of Donald Trump's policy. So even Israel has its stake here with respect to Iran. So containment of Iran is what the two countries are trying to achieve. So this is discussing that. So you may skip it too. It's in-depth study. We don't need that. If you know the relations, India-Iran relations details and what USA has gone ahead with after the sanctions which it has imposed, that's sufficient. Then this is India needs smart urbanization. So this is an important article. So urbanization has been an issue, and Firoz Varun Gandhi, the articles are generally very good. So you can go through this. Then on the op-ed page, you have you have an interview. So this is regarding mob lynching, but it's an interview. You may go through it. Then on page 10, you have this news. Lok Sabha passes anti-graft amendment bill. So since monsoon session is going on, bills will be in news. So this is very important. This is an amendment to Prevention of Corruption Act. So this is very important. Then on page 11, you have this news. Modi gives 200 cows to Rwanda. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a visit to African nations. And here for Girinka scheme, 200 cows have been gifted by India to Rwanda. Then on the international page, the important news is down here. China-Bhutan discuss this boundary dispute. So China-Bhutan-India relations have very much been in news. The Doklam crisis also occurred some time back. So you should know about the boundary here and the details here. Then on the business page, the important news is here. US reacting to BEPS with barriers to free fair trade. So you should know about BEPS, that's very important. Base erosion and profit sharing. What is it all about? So this is important. Then on the last page, you have this news. Setbacks in quest for a cure to AIDS. So the new drug which has been developed, it has given inconclusive evidence. So this is discussing that. So this is important. So these are the important headlines from the Hindu newspaper for today. For detailed coverage of current affairs, you can enroll for our current affairs course. Details are here. And on a daily basis, you can visit our website aashah.com, the current affairs section, and you can even download the daily PDF for current affairs, which is uploaded here by the end of the day. Thank you.